Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogrozinski with your week one screencast video. As I mentioned in the orientation video, each week I will publish a schedule along with a screencast video communicating the assignments of the week, any information I feel the class needs. So it is a must-watch video because it will set up the rest of the week for your assignments and some information that you may need. So if we look at the week one schedule, there's two activities this week. It's the icebreaker forum, which is the typical get to know everybody type forum for an online course. And also, we're moving quickly right away into the textbook, the introduction of the Curious Researcher. Some people might not have the book right away by the end of the week. So, discussion board number 2, exercise 2 in the introduction. I have some activity here. So, if I head over to the discussion boards real quick, I will just here review the icebreaker, just a little bit about yourself, and respond to, I believe, 3 of your classmates. It's important to get to know, spread information. You can certainly, respond to more people, and that's the way we get to know each other in an asynchronous online class. So the idea here is for the introduction, the exercise 2 on page 12 is all about, I have the questions here, but it's all about the reading. There is an essay posted in the introduction for those of you who have the book. It's called Theories of Intelligence. What you can do for the modules, and the way it works here is that you're in a week one. You should always refer to the week module here. There's 1 week for every for the 8 weeks here. I have a PDF version right there of Theories of Intelligence. It's kind of a tough copy in a PDF, but it will suffice to get you through if you print it out to read it. It's not the best. It's just a copy of a book version of it, but there is some, if you'll be able to, I suggest printing it and being able to read it, turn it sideways and stuff like that. All right, so that's there in the module here, and so you'll be able to complete the first 2 discussion boards. As I mentioned in the orientation video, it is important to get the book like right away. Remember, this is an 8-week course. So that is critical. So that will cover this weekly screencast. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.